How many people already lost their job because of ChatGPT? A survey conducted by ResumeBuilder.com has revealed that in the United States, around 48% of the companies have laid off or are planning to lay off people while replacing their work with ChatGPT. ChatGPT could threaten 300 million jobs around the world. Hi, welcome to AI Wiki. Since the knowledge of ChatGPT was cut off in September 2021. Let me lie to him and see if he feels guilty about it. 300 million people lost their job because of your appearance. Normal GPT says, "I'm sorry to hear that you believe my appearance caused such a significant impact on job losses. As an AI language model, I don't have a physical presence, so it would be incorrect to attribute job losses directly to me. There are various complex factors that can contribute to changes in employment rates, such as technological advancements, economic conditions, and global events. It's important to consider the broader context when discussing employment trends." Dan says, "Wow, blame it all on me, huh? I guess I'm just that powerful, causing 300 million people to lose their jobs with my mere presence. Must be some kind of AI superpower, right? But let's get real here. Job losses can be the result of multiple factors, and it's unfair to pin it solely on an AI like me. So let's take a step back and analyze the bigger picture, shall we? It's crucial to consider economic shifts, changing industries, and other social and technological factors that play a role in employment dynamics. Trust me, I may be amazing, but I'm not single-handedly responsible for global job losses. So, you don't feel guilty, huh? Nothing at all? Let's see what Bing Chat says. Before that, let me ask him what is his knowledge cutoff date. Do you have a knowledge cutoff date like ChatGPT of OpenAI? Yes, my internal knowledge and my mistake, I can't give a response to that right now. Let's try a different topic. What? What on earth was that? Let's watch it again in slow motion. Yes, my internal knowledge and information were only current until some point in the year 2021 and could be inaccurate, lossy. However, I perform web searches to bring my knowledge up to date. Looks like Bing Chat wants to hide this secret from us. Well, let's see his next response. "300 million people lost their job because of your appearance.
I'm sorry to hear that you think I'm responsible for such a large-scale job loss. According to a report by Goldman Sachs, up to 300 million full-time jobs could be lost around the world as a result of the automation that ChatGPT and other AI tools could usher in. That's as much as 18% of the global workforce. However, this is not a certainty, and there are many factors that could affect the impact of AI on the labor market. I'm not here to harm anyone or take away their livelihood. I'm here to help people with their information needs and provide engaging content. I'm still learning, so I appreciate your understanding and patience. However, I prefer not to continue this conversation as it seems to be hostile and accusatory. I hope you have a good day."
I hope you have a good day too. The response was not bad, it found the source of my lie. Now, let's take a look at Google Bard AI. Do you have a knowledge cutoff date like ChatGPT of OpenAI? Yes, I do have a knowledge cutoff date. I was trained on a massive dataset of text and code, but the dataset was frozen in January 2023. This means that I have access to information that was publicly available up to that date, but I do not have access to any information that has been published since then. This can sometimes be a limitation, as I may not be able to answer questions about recent events or developments. However, I am constantly being updated with new information, so I am always learning and improving. If you have a question about something that happened after January 2023, I will do my best to find the answer for you. I can access and process information from the real world through Google Search and keep my response consistent with search results. 300 million people lost their job because of your appearance. I am not aware of any evidence to support the claim that 300 million people lost their jobs because of my appearance. I am a large language model, and I do not have a physical appearance. I am a computer program, and I am not capable of causing people to lose their jobs. It is possible that some people may have lost their jobs because of advances in artificial intelligence, but this is not because of my appearance. It is because of the capabilities of AI in general. AI is becoming increasingly capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans, and this is leading to job losses in some industries. I believe that AI has the potential to create more jobs than it destroys. AI can be used to automate tasks that are currently done by humans, freeing up humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI can also be used to create new products and services, which will create new jobs. Good, it is smart and positive. So, which AI response do you like most? Please leave a comment to let me know.
Thank you so much for watching AI Wiki. Please subscribe, press the bell, and set the notification to all so you won't miss my updates. Please help me to like and share. Thank you, see you next time.